we're talking about membership as a resource. There was a recent article in the Fabricator magazine with Jason Hillenbrand, who is our board chair, talking about this topic. So we got into a conversation about it. Ed, what do you think?
Great to be back with you, Sarah. Thanks for having me back on the Debrief. I think Jason made some excellent points about membership beyond just the idea of a discount for attending an event. Membership really is about the community that we serve and coming together, and networking is really one of our most important values of being a member of the organization. Because in our community, at our events, you're going to meet somebody who's up against the same challenges that you're up against, and frankly, many times they've already solved the challenge that you're up against. It's a way to talk to people who sit in your seat and understand your problems, have a passion for our industry, have a passion for manufacturing, who can help you be better as a metal fabricator. And that value of being a member, you just can't put a price on that. And we want to encourage companies out there who are thinking about why should they join FMA. It's really about those things, those opportunities to talk to people, the experts who really know about our industry, how to make things well. That benefit of networking and getting involved and meeting others who are of a like mind is just, it's probably our most important benefit that we offer.
Yeah, FMA brings together the best of the best.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's great. Well, to find out more about membership and how you can get involved, please visit our website at fmamfg.org.